Hello, good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 12. What a nice day. How are ya? This house, Monday. It's a day we get to open the advent calendar. So technically, now I'm on the vlog camera. You guys actually can get behind the scenes because I got the tripod, I got the phone, and I wanted to make reels in TikTok. So I don't know what it is. Anti-aging. Ooh, anti-aging eyes. Okay, but so cute. Says this because I want coffee. You're on top of the. But I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put some ice in it. I'm into a long black, so I put like some more cold water in.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that I feel.
Good morning. It's so hot. It's about to rain. I'm hoping. I'll show you. Don't mind the window, but like, come on, fucking rain cloud. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 13. Anyway, let's do the things. Hold the fuck. All right, you know what time it is. Yes, because this little thing just dropped straight in the bloody water. I've got some Christmas shopping. Not Christmas shopping, but like I'm making something, which is like the best present ever. So I've got to organize to print some little prints. And then I've got to go to IKEA either today or tomorrow. Oh, and then I've got to organize to stay away for my partner's birthday. Comment below, when is your birthday in December? Because my partner's, one of my best friends' birthdays are both in December. Oh, both their birthdays are on the same day. Let's pop a hair and energy. I know you're meant to have the food, but guess what day it is? Second day to opening this, and I'm kind of excited. That's why we don't balance it on the water bottle, but you're going back on the water bottle. Yeah, perfect. Cute little night treatment. I'll be doing that tonight, thank you very friggin' much. Maybe tonight I'll do like a pamper sesh. Sorry to include the time lapse because I know that's what we're all here for. If you don't clean out your lint filter, that's how fires happen. Let's go. Ew. Obviously being a minute. I was a little bit peckish, so I went to my fam at ACAI and she's hooked a girl up. Kira, if you're watching this, I love you. You're actually now part of the family. Yeah, I got my lunch sorted. This one is my favorite. It's anything butter. Anything better, but like anything butter. Okay, I'm actually gonna be only here for one thing and one thing literally only. Okay, so I'm just in IKEA to actually just get some photo frames for people are definitely coming. But I know you guys would want an IKEA haul, and I've got you. Okay, so I got these glasses to match. Ones I always use, because these are the coat hangers I use every day, because this is what I'm having for dinner. I brought these jars because I scoop in your spaghetti going on. They're gonna sit in here. Because bugs get into this. So I've got this spaghetti. And then I brought this little photo frame. These little containers because I'm gonna put my nail polish in them. These things because they're the fucking best. Soap dispenser because Put some jam for the Swedish balls. And you're sitting on frames for the Christmas present. Good morning. So much rubbish in front of me. I need to take it to the bin. But I also need to take the bin out. But good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day. Ew. Happy Vlogmas Day 14. I'm not really tired. I actually had a really good sleep. I started watching White Lotus. I'm blaming Alicia Marie for this because I watch her vlogs, so okay. You guys getting like true ass behind the scenes. But I try and put in the same spot every time. But today's agenda, just gotta go get those prints and then we can come back in. I went to Aldi yesterday, as I do, because that's where I grocery shop now, because it's super cheap. And I brought this, obviously the skincare advent calendar I use this from here, but it's an anti-aging wrinkle night cream, right? And you guys know I use the Q10 Nivea. Dupes, really the same thing. I'm gonna make some coffee. I'll talk to you soon. But clearly I have not made coffee yet. But you guys know I went to IKEA yesterday. These glasses. Let's try and not drop us in the water this time. Let's go grab some Christmas presents, I think. It's so hot. Picture to go in the frame. I brought the frame because I get nervous it may not fit, so that's why I'm gonna bring it with me. But I also, you know that white bandeau top I was wearing yesterday, it's kind of like this, they are the best, and I'm wearing a little denim shorts. Cute. Anyway, the plan is I want another one of these because if you ever go get them, these are sized down like 2 because I'm usually a medium. This is a small and I probably should have got an extra small. That white one I wore yesterday was an extra small. That's all right. But let's go get this frame sorted. Let's go get another shirt because this is where I'm living in summer. Hustle day. Guess what arrived? Your tits balls joking. This is the most comfiest freaking thing in the world. They're actually pretty comfy, like you're pretty low, but this is the cutest fucking thing ever. Comfiest thing. Guess what? I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this every goddamn day. Probably gonna wear it on the weekend because I have my family does like a street party. And guess who's wearing these? Me. It's so comfortable. It's oversized. Like it's oversized, but like the bottoms are still like good. Like, you know, and they're not with linen or with like some other linen. I can't sleep with the bottoms on because it like hurts if you're going no. But this is actually perf. I'm taking a picture. Let's move that. Guys, I'm actually excited. And then I also got, I just realized I didn't show you the beginning part, but you've seen the guess what's arrived. Let me take you out here. Let me take this off so I can wash it, hang it up, do what I gotta do. I brought this top. I told you guys I brought this top, which I'm obsessed with, I love. But I saw they had a triangle one. I hate padding, because same. I saw they had a triangle one, so I had to get her. I definitely like this a bit better. I'll show you guys in better lighting. I'm actually obsessed. Do I go sit in the sun with my new KINI? Probably actually mine. 2 o'clock, I'm gonna go sit in the sun. Stuff it. Do you reckon I like pink? This is actually the KINI I got WHITEFOX. I'm obsessed. Ching. I got a package from I don't know how to say their name. Sucks about. But good morning. No, it's definitely Friday. Weekend. So this is actually from Bopo Woman. This is what she looks like. She's very cute. This is what she... Oh my god, she smells so good. I have been sent a brand new glow mask. This is what she looks like. She's actually very nice. Empower Gentle Hydrating Moisturizer. Oh, looks like. She smells good. The Seeds of Spring Body Oil. I love a good body oil because then you, like, they just look stunning. And I love having them on display. Like, I hate using them, but I love having them on display. We got another Rolo. I don't know where I got my last one from, but I probably should get another one. She's stunned. Imagine if she broke. Oh, she's little. But this is what she looks like. Oh my god, beauty guru. I'm definitely putting a freaking face mask on next week. And guess what? We're rolling. Thank you guys. Appreciate individual video for Christmas because I feel like that's just too much. And it's already Vlogmas, so gotta be Vlogmas Tuesday probably. But I did get like a parcel, like a, no shit, but like a hamper from his work. Very cute. I'm hoping it's still on sale, but it was from Supre. It's like a trucker hat, but like one of those, I have to work tomorrow. Woo. But no, it's good. On next weekend, honestly, I need a mini vacation. Staycation, but. Hello. I'm so excited. I know, I saw this thing on TikTok where you've like put a clip there and it like dries really nicely and you get like a cute little quickie moment. It's Vlogmas Day 18. Welcome, hello. This time next week it'll be all over Red Rover. So yeah, 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to my family's house because their little street actually has a street party for Christmas, so that's where I'm going. Got the Sarah's Day pajamas last week. I fucking love them. Definitely gonna wear them Christmas Day, but I'm definitely also going to wear them today because it's a Christmas vibe. Well, this is my natural hair. How cute is my natural hair? Are you serious? Gorge. Stunning. Yeah, see, I got some bounce. Put on the sunnies. We're cute. I need to take a pic. Okay, so I actually got a package that was sent to my family's house. We love that. And we're outside. But I thought I'd open it outside. And I don't have a knife or scissors or anything, so we're going off my strength. You're sitting in a pot plant. I need a knife. I know, why not just get a knife? Yeah, that worked. Why don't I just do that? Okay, let me show you. If I see, this is what I'm looking at. Oh, cute! Oh, I love this toner. This toner is like the best. Yes, sheet masks. Literally, why don't I need an eye cream? Literally, lips. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. But I cannot find